In this video, I'll show you how to find or change your Binance deposit address step by step. By the way, later in this video, I'll show you the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss it, so make sure to watch until the end. In order to change or find your Bitcoin address in Binance, the first thing you need to do, and this is very important, is make sure that your Binance app on your cell phone is updated to the latest version. If you're doing this on your computer, you don't really need to worry about updating the app. Once you're inside your Binance account, go to your Assets section and then tap on the Deposit option. After that, select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. When you open the Bitcoin deposit page, you will see your wallet address displayed there. However, you may notice that there is no option available that allows you to change or edit that wallet address directly within the app or the platform. This can be confusing for some users because they expect to find a button or setting that lets them generate or switch to a different address. The reason you don't see any option to change it is because Binance does not allow users to manually change their Bitcoin wallet address through the normal settings or wallet page. In other words, the platform does not provide a direct feature that lets you replace or edit the existing deposit address whenever you want. Because of this restriction, many users wonder what they should do if they want to try to change their Bitcoin address. If you are trying to change your Bitcoin wallet address, the only thing you can do is contact Binance support directly. You need to reach out to their customer support team and submit a request explaining that you want to change your Bitcoin wallet address. They will review your request and guide you through the process if a change is possible. Essentially, contacting Binance support is the only way to attempt to get your Bitcoin address changed. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rockwallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before and you're not tech savvy at all, Rockwallet will walk you through it step by step. You can install the app for free using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rockwallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rockwallet.